Infante to Jaboso. To Ba. Passes. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Ramos with the ball. Passes to Bernard. Samantha to point. Score is 13-12. But you lose the ball. Passes to Infante. Passes to Jaboso. Up to 14 seconds shutdown. There's a foul. Oxenia Edgar. First personal foul. First team foul. Jaboso passes to Ba. No good. Rebound by foul by number 39. Lidot Pa, second personal foul. Second foul. Anlan to Samonte. Samonte gets the ball. Dribbles. Infante first personal foul. Samonte on the champion strike. First throw, no good. Second throw. Counter. The score is tied at 13 apiece. Ba with the ball. Jaboso. Jaboso kay Riley shoots. Rebound by Edson Parto. Parto with the ball to Infante. Infante loses the ball. 14 seconds shutdown. Following by the second to De La Vega. De La Vega is up. 2 points. De La Vega 2 points. The score is now 15-13 in favor of Team C. Time remaining 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Infante shoots 3 points. Infante 3 points. Score is Samonte. The score is 16-15 in favor of Team A. Samonte to Oxenia. Oxenia passes, loses the ball. That was first foul. There was a warning on green team earlier on the day in the game. Ramos first personal foul, second team foul. And left 6 minutes and 44 seconds. Infante penetrates, shoots, no good. Rebound by Samonte. Samonte passes to Ramos. Ramos dribbles the ball. Ramos penetrates, loses the ball to Riley. Next passes to Lidot Pa. Lidot passes to Jaboso. Nasa straight Infante. 14 seconds shot clock. Infante Perez. Wow. By number 6. Parla